Most SOLIDWORKS users say that the most important benefit of subscription services is continual access to new releases and service pack upgrades. As a subscription services member, you're automatically entitled to the latest annual releases of SOLIDWORKS, as well as incremental service packs throughout the year. The SOLIDWORKS R&D team is constantly improving your software, and over 90% of their work is driven by your priority, whether it's a community requested enhancement, patching a new functionality and supported file formats, or projects to maximize performance and reliability. SOLIDWORKS is always evolving. New versions bring powerful new functionality, and having the latest releases means you'll always be able to work with any client or partner. You want a team that's proficient, fast, and extremely comfortable with SOLIDWORKS design solutions. Leverage the popularity of the SOLIDWORKS certification program to develop your team and search for the next great members to recruit. New in 2020, SOLIDWORKS expanded their certification offer to provide you with even more access than ever before. As a subscription services member, you now have access to 15 of the 17 SOLIDWORKS Certified Associate Professional and Specialty exams, all to validate user proficiency. Build your team skills by selecting one exam from 3 main categories twice a year, January through June, and then again from July to December for every seat of SOLIDWORKS on subscription. As of the end of 2019, there were over 400,000 certified SOLIDWORKS users around the world. Take this chance to solidify your standing in the SOLIDWORKS community. With subscription services, you also have complimentary access to more applications, which help extend the value of your 3D models. Need to run a 2D cutter for a 2.5 axis mill? You can do this directly from your part model with SOLIDWORKS CAM Standard, also included as part of your subscription service membership. SOLIDWORKS CAM is a knowledge-based machining tool that links to both your model geometry and your applied tolerances. Prepare your designs for manufacturability earlier in the development cycle and reduce the cost and time of your programming. Ever needed to produce marketing quality imagery of your design work? Included in your subscription is access to SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard. This rendering tool is fast and easy to use. You can create photo quality images that are ready for production, or let your creative teams go to town. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is a standalone application that can be used by anyone in your company from design to marketing. No matter who you're trying to impress with your design, Visualize seriously ups your game from CAD screenshots or traditional photography. For more information on SOLIDWORKS subscription services, please get in contact with SolidX today.